Hi everyone, Louise Marshall here from RosterElf, and today I'm walking you through how to delete and reactivate a site. Whether you need to tidy up old locations or bring one back to life, these quick steps will keep your roster data safe and sound. Let's jump in. How to delete a site. Click the Sites tab at the top of the dashboard to view all your locations. Hover over the location you wish to remove, then click the red X that appears to start deleting. When the confirmation window pops up, click Delete to make the site inactive while preserving its history. That's it. Your site is now hidden but never lost. How to reactivate a site. Click the Sites tab again to return to your list of locations. Choose the Inactive filter on the right-hand side to reveal archived sites. Hover over the site you want back, then click the green tick to begin restoration. When prompted, click Reactivate, and the site, along with all past and future rosters, springs straight back into action. You're all set. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our local support team is always ready to assist. Happy rostering, and I'll see you next time.